Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going over Elegoo's most complete starter kit for lesson 1, which is adding libraries and open serial monitor. So, what is a library? Libraries are a collection of code that make it easier for you to connect to a sensor, display module, and etc. For example, a built-in liquid crystal library. So how to install a library, you use Library Manager, and you go to Sketch, and then you go Library, and then Manage the Libraries. Then, for the example in this one, it says to use Bridge Library, but in the actual thing, it has a image of audio, which is different, but still works in the same exact way of tests. So let's get to it. So here we are in the program that we installed last time. So first we go to Sketch, then go to Included Library, then we go to Manage Libraries, then for this one we type in Audio, then you go right here and click Install, and on the left you can choose which version it is, and right in the bottom right it shows you whether it's done. When importing zip libraries, you have to find the file that it came with, which also happens to be in the file that you downloaded. So as we go through this, it tells you exactly the steps that you need to do for it. So let me show you the rest of the steps as we go through this. So let me scroll to the bottom right here. So yeah, that's it. Let's go to the program. So here we go back to Sketch, then we go back to Include Library, then we add .zip library. Then we go down to our Elegoo most complete starter kit file. We double click that. Then here you choose your home language. Since I speak English right now, I choose English. So here, after that, we go to libraries. Then you can choose the library that you need. So after that, it should tell you when it's done downloading at the bottom right. And then that's it for that. Then we have manual installation. For manual installation, you only do that if the original one doesn't work, such as if there's an error or if there's some restriction that's preventing you from doing it. Next, we have the Arduino serial monitor, which goes for Windows, Mac, and Linux, which this one tells you the steps for the serial monitor or the board, or connecting to the board. So in order to make a connection, you would click on that, but before that, this doesn't tell you, but you need to connect your board up to the computer. So let me go do that. So yeah, you would need to open up your box again, go in, and grab your Elegoo Uno R3 board again. So yeah, let me make this quicker for you, and filler. So yeah, we're back. And now that we're done with plugging all this stuff in, we can go back to the instructions and finish them. So here we go. So we're back up here. We scroll all the way down through to let me show you the rest of the instructions. So here, this one tells you the steps after, in which the rest are pretty self-explanatory, although for one of them, the auto-scroll feature right there at the bottom is quite confusing as they changed the icon. So let me show you. First you go to Tools, Then you just go all the way down to ports. Then you click COM3 or whatever it is. Then you click that icon right there, in which brings you here, to which you click that right there. And after that, make sure that is on, and it looks like that. You square around those two arrows, and that should be it. So, that's it for this video, and I'll see you all later. Bye.